Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to create your own custom emoji wallpaper in iOS 17. So let's get started. You go to settings, and after settings, you scroll a little down, little bit, until you find option called wallpaper. In the option wallpaper, you will find the wallpapers that you have in your phone. And to add a new one or to create a new one, you click on the plus. And here, as you can see, there is some ready emoji wallpaper, like this one. You can use it, or also like this one. And there is a lot, but if you want to create your own, you just click on emoji on the top right of the screen, like this. And as you can see here, we are going to make our own emoji wallpaper. And you have up to 6 emojis to use in this wallpaper. For example, I will choose what emojis? I will choose this one. I will choose this one. And I will choose, let's look to other emojis, this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. And as you can see now, we created our own emoji wallpaper, and you can use this emoji. You can choose between different styles of this emoji like you want. And if you like it, you just click on add on the top of the screen. If you don't like it, you can change those emojis by another ones like this. And it's up to you to make it like you want, and you can even change the background color. For example, I want to change it to green, and like you see now, it's changed to green. And like that, you can control your wallpaper as you like and create your own emoji wallpaper. And of course, after you complete, you just click on add on the top right of the screen. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.